Hey guys, so I'm just doing this for fun because I have nothing else to do, but the video I'm filming today, if you watched the last video, I did a FabFitFun unboxing and like kind of review, I guess, of the products, and the eyeshadow palette was really pretty, so I'm going to try doing a look with that, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So this is what the palette looks like, and this is what it looks like from opening it up. It's super pretty, and it has some matte and sparkles, so I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, but we're just gonna test this. I think I'm going to put some concealer first as a base. Okay, any like makeup people out there, I don't know what I'm doing, so don't judge because I am not a professional at this. Thanks. Let's take this and put some concealer on my eyelid, so it has like a sticky base kind of, because I think I'm going to do sparkles. Wait. I'm gonna I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's start out with pure. I hope you guys can see that. And let's just put that on the base. I'm just doing a whole look with this eyeshadow palette. Okay, there, that worked. Now, let's go in with a mixture of natural and free in the crease. Oh, and I am using like a fluffy brush. This is actually like, I am impressed with this already. Now, let's go in with strong in like that outer crease, I think. And I'm changing brushes to this angled brush. I don't know if I'm using this brushes for the like correct things, but we're going with it. Wow, that's pretty. Now I'm just kind of blending it. I don't know what I'm doing actually. Okay. Got the crease done, I think. Let's take some more concealer. Wait. Yeah. Kind of a cut crease, not really. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I know. I put eyeshadow on before. Now let's go in with some sparkle. Let's go in with this one, Alluring, I think. I don't know. Let's put that on the lid. Now let's go in with Gorgeous, but I'm putting that on the outside. Now let's go in with Charming on the inside, kind of. I'm just kind of blending it all together now, I guess. I don't even know what I'm doing. Now let's go in with Free and put that underneath my eye. Okay, I am kind of proud of myself. Okay, not gonna lie, it might have just been me screwing around, but it's kind of patchy, but that might just be me. Like the glitter is not evenly spreading to all the places, but the eyeshadow blended nicely in there. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter stick, also from the box, and put it in the corners of my eyes. Wow. I'm pretty impressed with myself right now, actually. I'm just going to do, this is not from Be Your Selfie palette. I am just doing this on my own. I am taking a dark brown and just doing. And I think that is our finished look for today. This is what it looks like. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below. Actually, let's put on some lipstick. Okay, good. I hope that worked editing. So now I'm ready to go and do whatever I want. Have a nice day. Bye!